delicious dishes. We're up to the salad. For the secret agent, we've got the Secress agent, a watercress salad with a creamy dressing. Bright and fresh watercress salad. We've got some elements of it that are not what they appear. Is it regular red onion or is it pickled red onion? It's pickled red onion, which is a nod not only to pub fare, but also to Brazilian salads. We've also got a creamy dressing, which puts the whole salad under a layer of secrecy. It's really just a delicious salad. I'm really happy with it, and I think you will be too. KitchAnnette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.